Hi everyone. Alright, let's look at this. Second theorem 2. It said angles in the same segment are equal. When angles appear in the same segment, they are equal. And look at this. We have they gave us this circle and they said A and they gave us here as 35, and this is the center of the circle. Remember when our first theorem that we treated, we said angles in a center is twice what angle at any remaining points of the circumference of a circle, which I gave an illustration like this. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. That's the first one we treated. So angle at the center, if this is the center A, whatever is here, which is the circumference of the circle, is twice that which is at the center. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Now let's say for instance here is 45 degrees. Then the first rule says angle at the center is twice that at the circumference. Now remember the properties of the circle. So this is the circumference of the what? Of the circle. The outer body of this is the circumference of the circle. And they said the center A, if this is the center A, is what? Twice that which is what? At the circumference of the circle. That's the first rule I gave you, the first rule of theorem. So it's just like saying A equal to what? 2 times 45. My reason is what? Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Angle at the center, which is A, is twice angle at the circumference. Now rule 2 says angle in the same segment are equal. Angle in the same segment are equal. Now we talk about segments. When we talk about segments, so let me erase this. And the second one said angles in the same segment are equal. Now let me have my circle. For instance, this is my circle. Okay, so now when I divide the circle like this is just like saying your minor segment, and this is your what? Major segment. Angles in the same segment. Now they are in what? This segment. This is where they meet. First segment, the minor segment and major segment, A and B, from this circle. So if you look at this very well, you understand that A came from a segment, this line, to this line. So this makes it one segment, and also this 35 degree also came from the same segment. So angles in the same, look at it, same. So look at where they are starting from, ending in the same part. Angle in the same segment are equal. So I can decide to say, from this particular rule, I can decide to say what? My A is equal to what? 35 degree. What was my reason? Angles in the same what? Segment. So that's my rule. So therefore, my A is equal to what? 35 degrees. Angles in the same segment are equal.